To enable or disable YouTube Story include videos that you watch in Google account in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accounts and backup, and then tap accounts and backup. Select manage accounts, and then select your Google account. Tap Google account, and then select privacy and personalization. See the data in your Google account and choose what activity is safe to personalize your Google experience. Tap privacy and personalization, and then select YouTube Story. Scroll down YouTube activity controls, and then to enable YouTube Story include the YouTube videos that you watch. Tap check this option, and then read information, and tap pause if you sure to disable. Okay, and then if you want to enable, check include the YouTube videos that you watch, and then tap turn on. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.